I walk down a quiet city street. There are many people around me, but I feel slow, calm, steady. The air is cool. The light is soft. Cars pass by, but the sound feels far away. I walk with my hands in my coat pockets. I listen to my steps. One step, another step. A simple rhythm. As I walk, I think about something many people feel. Something I felt too. Many people fear being alone. For a long time, I did too. When I was young, I thought silence was empty. Now, I know silence is full of breath, full of space, full of myself. Today, I want to show you how I learned this, how I learned to enjoy my own company. The afternoon feels kind, and I keep walking. I arrive at a small old bookstore. Its name is the Hidden Bookstore. I smile because it really is hidden. A small door, a warm yellow light. A place many people walk past without seeing. But I see it, and it feels like a home for my mind. I open the door slowly. The smell of paper meets me right away. Old paper, new paper, ink, dust. The bookstore is quiet. Only soft music plays in the back. I touch the books on the first shelf. Some covers are smooth, some are rough. Some are old with little marks from time. I like that. It means someone touched them before me. Someone read them. Someone found meaning inside them. Books are safe places. Books are shelter. Books are the best friends. They don't judge you. They don't rush you. They wait for you. Always. I walk deeper into the bookstore. There is a small corner with a warm lamp and a big red chair, a perfect reading spot. I sit for a moment. I breathe in. I breathe out. Wisdom comes in quiet places. I learned that here. I stand up again and move through the shelves. I take a book in my hand. The title is simple. The cover is simple. It feels right. I don't read the first page. I just hold it. I feel calm. Sometimes, solitude is like that. You don't need to do something. You just need to be with yourself. To hold a moment gently. Solitude is not the same as loneliness. Loneliness hurts. It feels cold. It feels empty. But solitude is warm, soft, kind, a quiet friend, a peaceful space inside you. I learned this slowly, with time, with patience. And on days like this, I feel grateful. Grateful for my own company. Grateful for this calm afternoon. Grateful for myself. The small cafe inside. At the back of the bookstore, there is a tiny cafe. Only 3 tables. Being alone is not being lonely. This is the most important thing I learned in my life. Solitude is a quiet gift, a small treasure inside the day. A moment to meet yourself. When you sit alone, you hear your own thoughts. When you walk alone, you feel your own rhythm. When you drink coffee alone, you discover your own taste. In solitude, you return to yourself. you come home. And when you enjoy your own company, you are never afraid again. The rain slows down. I finish my coffee. I stand and walk to the door. I hold the book I chose earlier. I decide to buy it. Not because I need it, but because it feels like the right companion for today. I step outside. The air is fresh. The street shines with rain. I open my umbrella. A soft sound. I walk back into the city, not fast, not slow, just in my own rhythm. I feel light. I feel peaceful. I feel like I spent the afternoon with a good friend. And that friend is me. Sometimes, the quiet moments teach us who we are. They show us our fears, and they show us our strength. Being alone can feel simple. Being alone can feel warm. And if you feel the same, if solitude also speaks to you, you can share your thoughts below. I would love to read your story.